Hi guys, Nikki here. Welcome to my channel, Niki the Art. Hope you're all well today. So something a little different. I'm doing flip cups with Sheleeart bloom recipe. So I'm putting my CAs in first. I've put in Amsterdam turquoise green and Amsterdam Payne's grey. And then following that up with, I think that's this little piggy in ore. No, it's not. It's Atelier Red Violet. This is the TLP ore, beautiful gold pigment. And then Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold by Golden. And lastly, Cobalt Teal by Golden. And then I'm putting, topping it up with just your normal low sheen house paint. It's black, but I've put it in a white cup because I did a white one first, which is the one I'm pouring over, what you can see underneath. And I wondered if I could get some sort of effects by putting the black into the white, but no, it doesn't show, but anyway. So there's two videos today. In the second video, my CAs are Atelier Copper, Payne's Grey by Amsterdam, and Turquoise Green by Amsterdam. And I also add in some TLP in Pinwheel, which is the lovely pinky purple that you can see, which has the blue glittery shift in it, which is gorgeous on black. So yeah, now as you can see, I flipped it and then using the lip of the cup to lip it, as Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. I think she was the creator of the flip and lip. So yeah, and there's no silicone in this. It's just a bloom recipe. So I'll let you watch them both. As I say, the second one's coming up straight after this one. And thanks for being here. Thanks for all the lovely comments. And if you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and share, and take care, and I'll see you all next time. Oh, I'll see you all for the collab, hopefully, with Michelle. Sunday night in the US and Monday morning in Australia. Michelle's up first this time, and it's a second collab, so Michelle's choice of colours. So we hope we'll see you there. It's 7:30 Eastern Standard Time for Michelle and 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time for me, which is 9:30 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time for Michelle and 10 o'clock for me. See you then. Thanks guys. Stay safe. Bye.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. Fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life. if what we're doing is bad. There's so many emotions, sharing stories that we never had. Yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about the way we are.
Got to know you before you faded away. I got to know you, got to love you. Just keep on walking down to separate ways. I can show you, escaping your pain now. You break down, you're drained now. Your heart pounds, your lips move, your eyes shine. You lose it all. I'll just wait here as you're fading away. I got to know you, got to love you. One thing to say before you're fading away. I really love you. Escaping your pain now. You break down, you're drained now. Your heart pounds, your lips move, your eyes shine. You lose it all. Together we go down to the ocean for you to sail away. Trying not to show you my emotions. Now you sail away. Together we go down to the ocean for you to sail away. Trying not to show you my emotions. Now you sail away. Escaping your pain now. You break down, you're drained now. Your heart pounds, your lips move, your eyes shine. You lose it all. Got to know you before you faded away. I got to know you, got to love you. Together we go down to the ocean for you to sail away. Trying not to show you my emotions. Now you sail away. Together we go down to the ocean for you to sail away. I've been feeling this way for far too long.